Good morning, this is Mike with the National Weather Service in Jackson for your weekly weather briefing this February 11th, 2019. In this briefing, I'll be talking a little bit about a cold front that will approach the region tonight and move across our area on Tuesday. Dry weather is then expected to follow Wednesday and Thursday, but a second cold front will move across our area on Friday. Followed by that, looks like cool and dry weather will return for the weekend. Then I'll give a brief hydrology update only concerning the Mississippi River. For today, we're still in the warm sector that we've been in all weekend long. Moisture continues to increase ahead of a low pressure system that's developing over the plains. This will result in much warmer than normal temperatures. Our normal temperatures for this time of the year range from the upper 50s in the north to lower 60s elsewhere. From this graphic, you can see that we're looking for highs in the lower 70s across a good portion of our county warning area. Also noted is pretty good rain chances across the area, with rain chances expected a little bit higher along the Interstate 59 corridor there in the southeast portion of our area. And then later in the afternoon, as the rain intensifies to the west of our area, across our northwest, looks like rain chances will go up. As we get into tonight, this low pressure system will bring a cold front closer to our area, and we're expecting widespread rain with a few isolated thunderstorms to develop all across our area tonight. This will bring high rain chances across just about our whole area tonight, with well above normal temperatures as well. The normal lows for this time of year run in the mid to upper 30s, and as you can see, we're looking for upper 50s to maybe a few lower 60s in the east. Okay, for Tuesday, we're expecting the cold front to move across our region. The graphic on the top left shows what we're expecting the cold front to be in the morning, basically clearing our southeast zones with rain still falling across much of our area. But by evening, the bottom right graphic depicts a much drier scenario with high pressure building in the wake of the cold front. That translates to this graphic where we're showing the rainfall chances at the start of the day. Rainfall will decrease and the skies will clear from the west throughout the day in the wake of the cold front. And it looks like temperatures associated with the rainfall and the coolness behind the cold front will hold temperatures closer to normal Tuesday. Rainfall on average looks to across the southern half of our area to maybe over an inch across the northern half of our area. Then dry weather is expected Wednesday as high pressure builds in from the plains in the wake of the cold frontal system. This high pressure will shift east on Thursday and will begin to moisten back up, and our temperatures will warm back up ahead of the second cold front that will move across our area on Friday. This cold front on Friday will have limited moisture with it, so a little bit less rainfall is expected across our area. So you can see from this graphic, it's not depicting much, but by the time we get there, it'll probably most likely be between 1/10 of an inch and 1/4 of an inch of additional rainfall with this particular system. For the weekend, though, it looks like a much cooler and drier scenario as high pressure builds in from the northern plains across much of the southeast states. This is the total rainfall that we're expecting for this week, as much of it will fall tonight and Tuesday with Friday's system. So again, the bulk of the rain this week will be across the northern half of our area, with generally around a half or less across the southern half of our area. This graphic depicts the weekly or the 7-day outlook centered around central Mississippi, showing warmer than normal temperatures and breezy conditions today, with high rain chances going into tonight, and then cooler temperatures followed throughout the weekend with much drier scenario in that second cold front that'll move across our area on Friday. As far as hydrology goes, with all the rainfall that's been falling just north of our region, it's all working its way down the Mississippi River. This particular graphic is based on the river forecasts that were in place yesterday, Sunday. These river forecasts will be updated later today, but as you can see that from this particular graphic, that major flooding is forecast at Cairo on the Mississippi River, with minor flooding expected at Memphis and Helena, and then moderate flooding at the rest of the sites that we're expecting in our area along the Mississippi River. These river forecasts are for the next week or so. That concludes our weekly weather briefing, and as always, thanks for viewing the National Weather Service Jackson's multimedia weather briefing.